Explain the arithmetic operations of Python. Type Python with Python shell. Terminal shell icon changed greater than. The main use of operations is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and multiplication. Explain about addition. Addition is calculated using the plus sign. Explain subtraction. Unable to do subtraction in Python. 2 minus 5 equals minus 3. This is because the code is 2 plus minus 5 equals minus 3, so if you want to do a subtraction, you must write it at the end of the column. So the correct answer is 5 minus 2. Explain about multiplication. Python uses the asterisk symbol. Explain division. Python uses the slash symbol. Division displays 17 digits after the decimal point. Numbers longer than 17 digits are not displayed even if they exist. Regarding rounding, it is almost rounded down to the nearest whole number, but mysteriously sometimes the decimal point is rounded up. For some reason, indivisible numbers between 5 and 7 are rounded up to the nearest whole number. Indivisible numbers in 0.999 are displayed as approximately 1.0. Explain the division of decimal point truncation. It is recommended to use decimal point truncation slashes when dividing unless accurate calculations are required. The reason is that numbers with a decimal point are called float type and the code becomes complicated. Because it takes about 10 times faster to execute. Explain about percentage. Percentages are often used mainly when using machine learning. I will explain the gross profit amount and the gross profit rate as an example. You can see that if you buy a product at a cost of 14 and sell it at 85, the gross margin is approximately 83%. Explain about exponentiation. Exponentiation is calculated using asterisk asterisk. Useful when calculating cubic centimeters or square centimeters. This is the detailed URL. Thank you for watching until the end. It will be very encouraging if you subscribe to our channel and treat Amazon gifts. We sell minimal keyboards on the site.
Love and peace!